Hi viewers, welcome to Learn MATLAB Simulink Basic. Today we are going to see about Clarke and Clarke transformation. Clarke transformation nothing but the ABC to dq0 transformation, and Clarke transformation nothing but the conversion of ABC to alpha beta 0 transformation. Normally this Clarke and Clarke transformation used in the control system, that means for converting ABC quantity into dq0 or alpha beta, we go for Clarke and Clarke. Why we go for Clarke and Clarke means when converting that ABC to dq0, well, that means it's like a conversion of a AC quantity into DC quantity. In DC quantity, we can control the system easily in DC quantity. When the control parameter are DC, we can control easily. That's why we go with this Clarke and Clarke transformation. In MATLAB already have some basic tool about that ABC to dq0 and dq ABC to alpha beta 0, right? How we are going to use that tool? Just you go to type here ABC to dq0 and you will get this one, and then you can type ABC to alpha 0. In order to implement this two block, we need a three-phase input. First we need to generate three-phase sine wave. For then go to Simulink library browser and go to source and then take sine wave, and then you take sine wave here, and then here you can fix the amplitude and frequency. Here I'm going to take the frequency is 2 pi f, that means 2 pi 50 hertz, and I'm going to make phase angle here is 0, and then I'm going to make the phase angle for a second phase. Here I'm going to take minus 120 divided by 360 into 2 into pi, where that means the phase angle should be given in radian. That's why you are taking this like this. Okay, the degree going to be converted into phase angle, and then for third phase you are going to take the phase angle is 120 divided by 360 into 2 pi, and then I'm going to take max to combine these three inputs. I'm going to combine this. So here you can see that this is ABC to dq0 and ABC to alpha beta 0. Then ABC to dq0, we need to provide two inputs. One is three phase input, another one is omega t. So omega t can be generated by means of another tool, nothing but a phase to loop. Just you type PLL, here you can see that PLL 3 phase. Just you have to use that PLL 3 phase and then connect this 3 phase input. Here we need to use only omega d. I'm going to use good to bug, and then I'm going to change this one to omega t, and then I'm going to use another go to block to connect this 3 phase sine wave. Here I'm going to make VA BC, and then this two will be used for conversion. That means ABC to dq0 and ABC to alpha beta 0. I'm going to take this one as input. Second input will be taken here. I'm going to connect this one. So here I'm going to connect the input to this block. This block known as ABC to dq0, that means Clarke transformation. This one nothing but the Clarke transformation. Next, here you can click PLL. Just you have to change the initial frequency 50 Hz here, and then apply. Click. Next, you have to measure the output. So for that, I'm going to use scope. Here I'm going to use 3 input scope. That means you are going to measure 3 inputs. One is output from the ABC to beta naught, and output from the ABC to alpha beta naught, and then another one is nothing but input. Here I'm used the time, that means total simulation time is 0.1, and then here we consider the amplitude which is equal to 1. Now I'm going to simulate this model. Before that, I'm going to make 3 layout to scope. I'm going to change the layout. Here I'm going to simulate this one. Now you consider this as the input, 3 phase input, and then this is the output of dq. I'm going to change the label VABC, and then this is nothing but VDQ naught, and this is nothing but V alpha beta naught. Okay, V alpha beta naught. Okay, here you can see that this 3 phase sine wave is converted in DC quantity by means of ABC to dq0 conversion. That is nothing but a Clarke transformation. And then the three-phase quantity converted into two-phase quantity by means of a ABC2 alpha beta 0 transformation, nothing but a Clarke transformation. So we are converting a three-phase quantity into, that means DC quantity in case of Clarke, and then two-phase quantity in the case of Clarke transformation. Next you have to use the inverse concept, inverse Clarke and the inverse Clarke transformation. So for that, just you have to type here dq0 to ABC and then alpha beta 0 is equals to ABC. So this two will be used for inverse Clarke and the inverse Clarke transformation. I am going to use the output of this Clarke transformation when we input for this inverse Clarke transformation. The output from the Clarke transformation will be this input for that this block, inverse Clarke transformation block. And then omega t you have to take from here and then you can connect here. And then I am going to use another two more inputs. I am going to use 5 inputs and then I am going to make this one. That means the fourth will be the output of inverse Clarke transformation block. The fifth one is the output of inverse Clarke transformation block. So next I am going to simulate this model. Here you can see that this is your input and then this is output of Clarke transformation, that nothing but ABC to dq0 conversion. This is output of Clarke transformation, that means ABC to alpha beta 0. Now I am going to simulate this one. Here we are going to measure that means inverse output, inverse Clarke transformation output, and here we are measuring inverse Clarke. Actually this output should be equal to our input. You got to check that one. Now you can see that the output of inverse Clarke and inverse Clarke, it will be equal to our input. Whatever we transfer from our input ABC to dq0 and alpha, again it will be converted to ABC by means of inverse Clarke transformation, inverse Clarke transformation. That means this kind of concept they can use in the inverter control logic, and then it can be used in the motor control logic. When you have to convert this ABC to dq0 and alpha, that control system, that means if we can easily control the system, we can easily tune the system. For that purpose only we are using this kind of transformation. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.